Naranarayana were the twin brothers. They were the incarnation of Lord Vishnu on earth. Naranarayana's parents were Dharma and Murti. Dharma was the son of Brahma and Murti was daughter of Taksha. They lived at Badrinath, where the most sacred Badrinath temple stands. Presently, it is situated in Uttarakhand. The beginning of Guru Shishya Parambara is supposed to have its roots here. This is symbolized by two ranges of mountain. Nar range of mountain which represents the individual soul, that is Jivatma, and the Narayana range of mountain which represents the supreme reality, that is Paramatma. The Badrinath temple is situated on this side, which means human soul Nara is an eternal companion with the divine Narayana. The river Alagananda is considered to be one of the most sacred rivers that divide the two ranges of mountain. Both Naranarayana were interested in practicing warfare. They performed several austeries and meditation for the preservation of Dharma. As they started doing meditation wholeheartedly, there was fear among the god, especially Indradeva, thinking that the penance will give them blessings and will make them mightier than him. So Indradeva wanted to disrupt the penance. For this, he had sent Kamadeva and Vasant in the form of beautiful women to distract Naranarayana. But none could divert them. They became strong warriors. Prahlada and Naranarayana argued about capability, that respect cannot be earned by position but one's abilities. This conversation led to war, which took 1000 divine years to complete. Naranarayana defeated Prahlada after 1000 years. Prahlada wanted to know the reason for his defeat, and Lord Vishnu replies that Naranarayana are his incarnation and no one can win against Lord Vishnu by power, but it could be done through devotion. Prahlada have been one of the most prominent devotees of Lord Vishnu. Naranarayana blesses him. Demons always wanted to rule the Triloka. Once a demon king named Sahasrakavacha took penance to be blessed by Suryadeva. He asked for immortality but was refused by Suryadeva. He altered his request and asked Suryadeva to protect him with 1000 armors or shield. One needs to do penance for 1000 years and fight with him for 1000 years to remove one armor. And the person who removes his shield will die instantly once the armor is removed. With this boon, he started creating havoc. Sahasrakavacha reached Badrinath, where Nara fought with him for 1000 years and pierced the first armor, and Nara was dead instantly. Narayana, who has mastered Mridasanjeevani Mantra, brought Nara to life, who went for meditation for 1000 years while Narayana was fighting against Sahasrakavacha. This act went on until 999 armors were destroyed. He started pleading Suryadeva for forgiveness and let him live. With only one armor left, his plea was heard. All three of them were born again in next yuga. Sahasrakavacha was born as Karna, Naranarayana as Krishna and Arjuna killed Karna in Mahabharata Yuddha.